Hey, what's going on guys? John here again, and this video we're talking about Porsche and their new Porsche Insurance. And now you guys are probably very familiar with Tesla Insurance now. It's only available in some parts of the States, but in Canada there's no options like that just yet, so that means that there is room for other competition. Alright, so before we begin talking about Porsche Insurance, let's talk about the two different types of insurance in Canada. There is pretty much all the rest of Canada, and then there is BC, which uses a provincial insurance called ICBC. What this means is that they are very strict and very caged off. They don't want any competition, so there literally is no competition inside of BC. That is where Vancouver is right now, and that's where I am. So unfortunately, Porsche Insurance is not going to be available in BC. But for any of you guys that live outside from Alberta all the way to, let's say, Nova Scotia, you guys are probably going to get the first chances to play around with Porsche Insurance and quoting and see if that is the choice for you. Now, at the moment, you guys can head over to Porsche.com. I'll drop it into the description, and you guys can build a quote for yourself and see what it comes out to. And if it beats your own insurance company, it'd probably the best thing to do is go over to Porsche Insurance. Now, the thing that differs between Tesla Insurance and Porsche Insurance is that Tesla is in-house. They handle pretty much everything from top to bottom, whereas Porsche is partnering up with Aon Reed, and that is an insurance provider globally, and that is going to be taking care of all the aspects related to insurance. So it's going to be under that umbrella. Now, the good thing about that is that you guys can bundle your auto insurance and life insurance into one package. So all in all, it's not that much difference from going to a brokerage and getting a brokerage deal with all your insurance under one umbrella, but it's going to be very competitive for those of you guys that own Porsches or just rely on the brand a lot more than somebody else that drives a Honda. Now I'm just going to read off a blurb here, but this is directly from the website. So it says, "We are pleased to offer customers brand a compelling vehicle insurance option by combining sports car and auto insurance under the same umbrella." So like I said, this is just for Canada, excluding BC at the moment, and right now at this very moment only Ontario customers can sign up for this. I tried entering in a different postal code from different parts of Canada and it does not work. It only reverts you back to using an Ontario postal code. So most likely they are just using this as a trial phase right now, and if it works out in Ontario, likely they're going to be expanding it throughout the rest of Canada. Alright, so now the cool thing about Porsche Insurance is that if you guys do purchase it, all parts are going to be replaced OEM. That's going to be their guarantee each and every single time. They're going to provide a complimentary vehicle for your repair each and every single time as well, so you don't have to worry about Uber credits or taking a transit. So that's going to be the differentiating factor between using this insurance versus another insurance. There's that guarantee each and every single time you're going to have a car to replace your car while it's in the shop. Now, there's going to be one really big thing that differentiates between Porsche Insurance versus going with another company is that there's going to be waiver of depreciation. And what that means is that if you own the car for less than 24 months and anything happens to the car, there's a total loss, they're going to give you the original value of the car, not accounting depreciation or anything. So whatever you paid for it originally, you're going to get that full amount back. So I think personally, this is going to be one of the deciding factor between somebody asking, hey, maybe we should pay a little bit more for Porsche Insurance, but get the peace of mind that we're going to get the full value of the car back if this thing's a total loss, versus going with a different company where they're just going to replace the parts until your car is fixed. So to sum it all up, I think this is going to be one of those additional brokerage insurance type of deal, and not really a Tesla competitor if you guys are thinking that it is. Tesla really uses a lot of the monitoring system inside of their car to provide Tesla insurance for specifically their cars, whereas Porsche is sort of doing an umbrella underneath another insurance company. And the weird thing about it is they do even support different types of cars and not just Porsche. So that means that you can bring in your Tesla, your Honda, your Toyota. As long as you have Porsche related products, you can just put everything underneath one umbrella, so it covers practically everything. Now, there is one thing I find really weird about this insurance from Porsche is that they don't even support their own car. There is one specific car that is pretty much the highlight of their whole company. It's the Porsche Taycan. Now, that car is an EV. It's the highlight. They even post it up as their advertisement, as you guys can see here. But in the end, that car is not supported by Porsche Insurance. Now, I'm not sure exactly why that is. Maybe it's such a limited edition car. Maybe it costs too much. maybe the third-party insurance, Aon Reeds, does not want to support such a high expense there in case something does happen. But it does make me think that they're not really serious about this being a competitor to Tesla at all. It's supposed to be supporting every lineup of the Porsche brand, but it doesn't even do that, whereas it supports a bunch of different other manufacturers. So anyways, this is something for you guys to keep in mind if you do decide to use this and you do live in Ontario right now. Go ahead, go on to the link that I'll drop in the description below, punch in your car, punch in the model and everything, and see what it comes out at, and you can go ahead and just have this insurance right starting today. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little update. If you guys did, please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. Once again, this is John. Peace out.